Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Lisset. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing IPSY Glam Bag and IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of August. If you guys don't know what IPSY is a beauty subscription box with various membership prices. And the one that I'm going to be unboxing today, the IPSY Glam Bag, is $12 a month, and it includes 5 sample deluxe size products, and the IPSY Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and it includes 5 full size items. So let's get started. I have right here both of the bags. This month the IPSY Glam Bag Plus came in one of these bags. I don't know why, if they're trying to save and not spend so much on boxes, and I appreciate that. Actually, I'd rather have it here than a waste of, box for no reason. So I'm going to be starting now with the Glam Bag, and then we're gonna see what I have and then compare everything. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Okay, so this is the bag for this month. It's actually like holographic, I think that's what you call it. It's not one of my favorite bags, to be honest. It's kind of like not my favorite, to be honest. I don't really like it that much. And then here's the little logo IPSY with the zipper, and then in the inside it's gray, just plain gray. Okay, I actually like the other ones, which are more colorful and full of life, and this is not like my favorite. I don't like it. And the material is like I want to say a nylon, but it's kind of like a plastic, I would say. Okay, so let's just start right to the unboxing. Okay, so this, oh, I get it. It's because of the theme, of course. So the theme is the future is yours. So actually, yeah, I can see how this bag, it's like the future with all like holographic and stuff. So it says here, glow your own way. The IPSY experience is still about making beauty true to you. Here's how to keep your monthly stash exciting and personalized every time. And then it's just like information for you about different tips and beauty and stuff like that. So let's just go ahead and get this out. So first thing I got here is from Naked Cosmetics, and this is a lip scrub in vanilla cream. Okay, I'm not really into lip scrubs. I have a few, and it's not my favorite. It's not something I do. I'd rather just have like a balm, and I don't do this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it on the side for my giveaway stash. So keep an eye on that. Next item I have here is from, what's this brand? I'm not sure what the brand is, but it says be a roller baby in your incredible roller ball gloss. And then it's rolling like a honey. Okay, it's cute. It's like a gloss. I'm not a glossy person either. Let's see, let's open this up. But this smells like fresh. And look at this, it's very unique and different. I think this reminds me of the 90s. I don't know, I think I've seen this before in the 90s when I was younger. So I guess this is going back in style. So let me put a little bit on my lips and try it out. Okay, it feels funny, like you have like a little ball on your lips. Okay. Oh, okay, nice. Oh. It feels nice. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but yeah. It gives you that little gloss that you need, and it's really cute and portable. So yeah, I like this. And actually, really quick, before we keep going, if you guys want to check this look out, I have it on my IG. I did a IGTV creating this look. So if you want to recreate it, make sure to check it out at Lismania Beauty. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, this is the next product I have here, and this is from the brand Neuma. It's a new styling smoothing cream soften. So this is for the hair. Okay, so let's see what it says. It says apply a small amount to wet or dry hair to smooth and control frizz. Okay, cool. I'll keep it there, and if I use it, I'll let you guys know. I'm not much of putting a lot of stuff in my hair. I just do the regular shampoo and conditioner. I actually have the shampoo and conditioner that I use on my Amazon favorites. So if you want to check it out, I have the link in my description with my Amazon store. And that's pretty much what I do because my hair is like really oily. So I do use a shampoo that controls the oil from your hair and makes it like healthy, and it's a really nice ingredient, like very simple ingredients, shampoo and conditioner. So if you want, check it out in my Amazon store. Okay, and the next item I have here is from the brand Lottie London AM to PM retractable eyeliner. Okay, so I've been getting a lot of eyeliners lately, and this is in the shade Sunburst. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a beige, I would say, with glitter based on this. I'm not gonna open it, guys, because I want to make sure if I don't have this brand this brand and this color of eyeliner to I'm not gonna be opening, and I'll just save it in the giveaways so that you guys can be able to win. I have like a big pile, so soon I will be posting a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And the last thing I have here is from the brand Orisa Beauty. It's a camo shimmer eyeshadow. Ooh, I like eyeshadows. Okay, so everything is like closed. Oh god, I was not prepared to open anything like this, but let's try it out. I actually have another, this is a quad shades. I believe I have another one which are like more natural shades, and let's see. Oh, you can actually see the colors here, but I wanted to open it. Ooh, okay, I like these colors. This is like the green, olive green. So there's one matte, and I think this works great for any skin tones, and then these others are like metallic shimmers. So I'm gonna do a little swatch on my finger. Ooh, okay. This one, oh my god, I like this one. That's cute. And this one, like a yellow, and then this is the olive. I really like this one. Really like. I'm actually gonna show you the other one I have. I have it like right here. Okay. Open it. You see it from the same brand. I got it in one of the IPSY as well, and I think it's similar. Like two of the shades are kind of similar, so you guys can see here. But I really like it that it's very like portable, and it's like a decent size. You know, it's really small, and they feel like a decent size of each of the shades. So I think it's really nice. You can create a really nice look with this. So I'm happy I got this. So that's it for this Glam bag. There was actually two products that I like the most, and the others I'm not really happy about. You know, it's not gonna be able to, you know, to use it. I'm probably just gonna give it away. And yeah, so let's see the Glam Bag Plus. Okay, now for the Glam Bag Plus. Ooh, okay, there's a lot of stuff here. Okay, so this bag kind of smells like something. I'm wondering if something got spilled. Ooh. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay, so out of the bag, I have some products that didn't come inside the little bag. Okay, so let me explain to you this month IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So this month is different. Something that they did is that you're able to personalize 3 of the items. So you're able to choose 3 items, and then the rest they choose it for you. The other 2 they choose it for you based on your profile. So I did choose 3 of the items here. You'll see. And then it doesn't come in a little bag like it used to. It comes in one of these little string bags. So I'm actually I'm not gonna say kind of like disappointed, but not happy about it. Not like totally disappointed, of course. I'm just like, I prefer the little bag because I like, you know, to have little bags and travel, or like give to my family members, or like, you know, giving giveaways, etc. But I'm gonna miss that. I think I get more use of those little bags, like your makeup bags, instead of these stringy thingies. So let's see. But anyways, let's just get into it. So the first thing I did choose is an eyeshadow palette. You guys know I love my eyeshadow palettes. So let's open this up. This actually is new from this brand. It's a collaboration that Estee Cosmetics did with Bailey Sarian. I believe she's like a YouTuber, I think. So yeah, this is the Venice Fling palette. So it's really cute and summer vibes. So let's open her up. Ooh, okay, this is huge. Oh my god, I've never seen an eyeshadow palette with the shades being so huge. You're gonna see. So it comes with a big mirror, and then look at this shades. Oh my god, it's just huge. Like, I've actually never seen anything like this, and it's really cool. It means that it has a lot of product. So I really like these shades. It comes with 4 matte shades, and then the rest are like shimmer, metallic. So I really like this tone, so I'm really happy about that. I'm gonna do a little swatch with my fingers. So this is the color, as you can see, purple. It's calling my names. I'm just gonna do a little swatch here. Ooh, look at this. Can't wait to use it. And then all this yellow right here. It's called Sol, like the sun. Wow, stunning. And then this one right here, the orange called Rose Tattoo. Then this one right here, oh, Venice Flame. It's like a black with shimmer, brownish. Ooh, it's really, really pretty. I can't wait to try this, honestly. So let's see the price of this, if I could find it. I'm actually going to open the app, which is where I'm gonna see the actual prices and the information about the products, because in the little card it doesn't tell you. So I forgot to show you the card. It's the same card. Future is yours. The future is yours. And let's see. So it's actually retail value of $30. So that's pretty nice. Okay, next item I have here. It's from Murad. Oh my god, I love this brand. I actually just bought from this brand their acne treatment products. So I wanted to see if it helps to clear out my skin. So yeah, I really like this product. This is the Hydration Perfecting Day Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It says nourishes, protects, and restores supplements. Okay, so let me open it. Okay, so this is how the bottle looks. It looks just like the one I have before acne, the lotion, which is oil free. So I'm excited. I'm losing my words, guys. Okay, I'm excited to try this for like the winter when my skin gets really, really dry. So I'm all good with this. Let's see the other products. Ugh, it fell on the floor. Sorry, I'm back, guys. Okay. So let's see the other products here. Ooh, okay. This is eyeliners. No, these are shadows. Eyeshadows and pencil. Okay, give me 1 second because I forgot to tell you guys the price of the mirror. Okay, let me open it up. Okay, so it's $58. This is $58. Yeah, they're pretty expensive. The mirror brand is pretty expensive. So let's open this eyeshadows pencil. There are 2, so it's Beauty for Real. That's what it's called. Shadow Sticks 24/7 Eyeshadow Duo. Yeah, let's take a look at it. So these are the shades. I'm scared to open it. Let's just open it but not do swatches, because I think I have similar shades to this. Ooh. It's really, really pretty. It's like that's like some shimmer in it. It's like a beige. And I've never actually used, I think, stick eyeshadow. Yeah, I don't recall it. And then this one is like brown, like a little bit darker shade than the other one. So let's see. The names are the names here? They're not even here, guys. Okay, let's look at the app for more information. Okay, so it's Beauty for Real Shadow Sticks 24/7 Eyeshadow Duo in Midnight Marathon, and Ever Starstruck. So it says, meet the easiest eyeshadow ever. Seriously, this creamy shadow sticks apply in seconds, no brushes or technique needed. Swipe Midnight Marathon, a reflected topaz shade, or Eve Starstruck, a shimmery champagne, over your lids for a flattering color that lasts all day. And then the retail value of these two are $38. So that's pretty good. Next item I have here. Okay, it's another eyeliner. What's going on? Like, I have so many eyeliners with the same colors. It's just too much. Okay, this is from Laura Geller. I actually just got the same brand eyeliner, I think in my other boxes. I believe BoxyCharm, I think. Yeah, and this is Gilded Bronze Coal. And yeah, I don't even want to open it, guys. I'll just read because I'm just gonna put it to the side to give it in a giveaway. And this is the Cajal, yeah, Longwear Eyeliner in Gilded Bronze. Okay, and it says the retail value of this is $22. So it's an eyeliner. I don't even remember choosing that. I think I chose the eyeshadow sticks and then the eyeshadow palette. Sorry, I just blanked out. And then I chose this. So this is from the brand Seattle London, and look how squished it came. Oh my god, the packaging. I hope it's not broken inside. So it's their Watermelon Burst setting powder. I actually have from Seattle London the loose setting powder. I think it's the coconut. So I wanted like a pressed powder. Oh my god, I can't even open this. Okay, here it is. The packaging is really cute. Then this is my watermelon. Kind of smells like watermelon a little. And it's like a compact. It comes with the mirror and then the powder, which is a translucent powder. So I'm really excited to try this. I actually use to set my makeup, like my under eyes, the concealer and everything, a loose setting powder. But I really like more like pressed, so I wanted to try a translucent powder that was pressed, you know, not loose. And yeah, that's it. Let me see the price of this actually. So this is $28. So there wasn't much of a choice that I really liked for this bag, IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I really like the eyeshadow palette, and I like the setting powder. The moisturizer is good. I'm going to save it for like I said, the winter days. I do have a lot of skincare that I'm currently trying on, so that's something that's not like makes me happy or excited to receive. I like more makeup, but also I have so much eyeliner that I have recently received that I'm not excited either for it. So actually this month was not a win for IPSY, and I think I'm going to be skipping IPSY for next month. At least the Glam Bag Plus, you know, I'm still going to get the IPSY Glam Bag and unbox it for you guys. And I'm probably gonna purchase some stuff in the add-on store so you guys can check it out, which is pretty much the same thing that IPSY Glam Bag Plus gives you. So I'm just gonna, if I like something, I'm just gonna get it right there with, you know, my membership of the IPSY Glam Bag. But I've seen spoilers for next month and it doesn't excite me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and skip at least next month, you know, put it on pause and then check for the other month and see if I like it. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Let me know what you guys think. If you have IPSY Glam bags, what did you get? Do you like it? Are you going to keep subscribing or pause it for next month? What are you going to do? Please let me know because I'm a little confused. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but yeah. So thank you very much for watching me. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new, watch my channel and you like the content that I create, please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye.